A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Mass Online Education. Today class is the chapter 11 Algebraic Expressions. Now exercise 11.5.
Very good morning, my dear students. Exercise 11.5 before the geometrical verification of the identities. Geometrical verification of the identities. So, loss of identities in this first formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then it is a LHS and it is a LHS and it is a RHS. Now we have to take the any side take and other side you prove that. Okay. Now here consider a square with the side is a plus b. Now first of all we have to take the square. So here draw the square. These all are sides A. So here given to the plus b, one another variable also is there. So every side we can add the b. So here also b. Understand children? So here it is a b and it is a and it is a b and it is a and it is b. So here once observe that every side, all sides, square means all sides are equal. So here we have to take the b is adding all sides. So it is a b. Now here to here the area of side is a plus b. So here to here also side of a plus b. So here to here also a plus b, because of here to here units is a and here to here b. So the total distance is the a plus b. So at the same time here also a plus b. Understand children? So here it is a first region, it is a second region and it is a third region and it is a fourth region. So the square is the total. How many parts are divided? 4 regions are divided. 4 parts of region divided. Did you understand children? So here why we have to take the b adding? So here given to the a plus b, a is a, we know that a is a side of a square. So plus b, here adding of all sides of plus b adding. All sides of plus b adding. So here adding means up to here actually we have to take the side this part only. But adding means all sides of b units. So now joining the remaining all sides. So here observe that 1, 2 rectangles are there and 2 squares are there. 2 rectangles are there and 2 squares are there. We know that it is a plus b whole square. So here this is the total of a square. This is a total of a square. Therefore, area of a square is equal to area of a whole square equal to side into side. We know that area of a square side into side. So all sides are a plus b into a plus b. We know that it is a plus b whole square. So here to here one term and here to here one term. A into a square. A plus b into a plus b whole square. So it is LHS sir. We get. Okay. Now we can use the a square plus 2ab plus b square. We prove that. That is RHS. That is a RHS. So here observe that children. So it is all sides are is there. How many figures are there? 4 figures. So 2 squares and 2 rectangles. So every rectangle, every figure of the area we will find. Every figure of area we will find. For example, it is a square shape. It is a square shape. So what is area of a square here? Side is a and a. A into a square. So here a square. Area of a square. So it is which shape is there? Rectangle shape. What is the area of a rectangle? L into B, length into breadth. What is the length here? What is the length here? A breadth is a B and length is a. So what is the L into B? A into B is equal to AB. Area of a rectangle here, AB. So here observe that it is a square. All sides are same measurement. So what is the area of B square? B into B. Area of a third region square. B square. Okay. So here it is also same here. Fourth region is also rectangle shape. We have to write the area of a rectangle. L into B is A into B is a AB. Okay. Now we all figures are adding. All figures are adding. Therefore, area of whole square is equal to. So here, therefore, area of whole square is equal to. So, is equal to area of a first region, area of a second region, area of a third region, area of a fourth region. We should write here area of first plus second plus third plus fourth regions. So what is the area of whole square? A plus B whole square. Already we proved that. Okay. Next, area of a first. So here area of a square. So it is a first region. Area of a square of first region plus area of a square second region plus area of square third region. Area of a square third region. So next plus area of square. So here third and here fourth region. Okay. So what is the area of a square? So here area of a square is a square plus area of a rectangle. Next one here. Sorry, here area of a rectangle. Rectangle, and fourth one also, sorry, here rectangle. Fourth one also rectangle. So second one is area of a rectangle A into B plus next. So it is third reason B into B square, area of a square, and fourth reason plus AB, area of a rectangle. So here observe that A square plus AB, A into B into A into B, A into B plus A into B, 2AB plus B square. Therefore, A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Finally, we get LHS equal to RHS. Did you understand, children? So here given that plus A plus B whole square. So then we have to take the like this only diagram. Okay? Otherwise A minus B. How to draw the diagram A minus B diagram? So once observe that first we have to take the square. So we know that it is the total A. Minus B means remove the one side. We know that it is A. So here to here B. Understand? So here write the B and A. So A minus B like this. No need of adding. Remove the all sides of one part B. A minus B. Understand? So here write first reason, second reason, and a third reason, and a fourth reason. Same time, but here adding. But here we can use the, here also same method. Area of a whole square equal to area of 4 reasons. Understand? Okay, right. So here write A plus B, A minus B. How can you write that? Yes. So here the total distance is the A, here A minus B. The total distance here A minus B and A minus B. The total distance is A. So here to here B, here to here A minus B. So it is A and A minus B is a side. So here A minus B like this only. Understand, children? Did you understand? Okay, right. Now we will explain the a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next one, geometrical verification of the identities a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus is equal to a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first we have to take the square. The total distance is the all sides are same. So that is a, therefore area of a square is equal to side into side. So what is the side here? A into a equal to a square. So it is the whole square. Whole square. The area of a whole square equal to side a square. So here once observe that a minus b, in the before class is the a plus b. So here a minus b. So we should write here minus, the variable is the minus, means all sides are 1 unit or b units are removed. B unit. So here to here b. So here also b. Same. Here also b. And here also b. The remove that part. Okay, so it is a first reason. So the distance is the total is distance a. So here to here distance b. So here to here distance a minus b. Okay, so the total distance a will become not a minus b plus b is equal to plus b minus b cancel a. The total distance will get yes. So here also same. So it is also a minus b, and here also a minus b, and here also a minus b. Okay, it is the first reason, it is the second reason, it is the third reason, and it is the fourth reason. So totally 4 parts of reason divided. Understand, children? Okay, now let us start the all figures of areas. So once observe that here in the before class is the area of your whole square, but here observe that, so here it is a square, first reason. So area of a square means side into side. So all a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a minus b. A into a square. A minus b into a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. The first reason of area equal to a minus b whole square. So it is the shape of a rectangle. It is the shape of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Length into breadth. So here what is there here? B. And breadth is a minus b. So here ba minus b square. B into a, ba minus b into b square. It is area of a rectangle. So it is area of a square. B into b. B into b equal to b square. B into b equal to b square. Next here also same, b into a minus b. It is area of a rectangle, L into b. B into a minus b. ba minus b square. Multiply the inside terms. B into a ba minus b into b square. Now here, now we will find the a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is a LHS and it is a RHS. Okay. Now, so here already we know that area of a first region equal to, so because of here a minus b whole square is there, only here a square. It is a whole square of area. The area of a whole square equal to a square. So it is a first region area of a square, first region. So therefore area of a first region means is equal to area of whole square minus remaining all figures, remaining all figures, area of a second region and area of second region minus area of third region minus area of fourth region. Fourth region. Understand? Area of a first region equal to area of a whole region square minus area of a second region, area of a third region, area of a fourth region. So how to write that area of a first region? Area of a square equal to first region means a square. So next rectangle. Area of a rectangle second region equal plus minus area of a square third region minus area of a rectangle fourth region. Okay. So area of a first region is a square. So area of a first region a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. Yes, the total is a minus b whole square is equal to area of a whole square a square minus of area of a second region ba minus b square minus area of a third region b square minus area of a fourth region ba minus b square. Okay, so here a square minus ba minus into minus plus b square, here minus b square minus ba minus into minus plus b square plus b square. We know that plus b square minus b square cancel. Remaining what is there here? A square minus ab or ba minus ba or ab plus b square. So here a minus b whole square equal to a square minus ab minus ab a square minus 2ab plus b square. So finally we will get a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We prove that LHS equal to RHS. We prove that LHS equal to RHS. Did you understand, children, these two identities? I hope to understood these two identities of verification. So once again I explain a minus b whole square. First total we have to take the square. The total length of a side is a. The total length of side is a. So here minus b means remove the any side of one part b. So here observe that now here to here the distance is the b. Remove of the area of a square. So here to here b, the total distance is a. So here to here distance is a minus b. Already we proved that the total distance is a minus b plus b minus b cancel. We should write here a. A is a total length of a square. Understand? So it is 4 regions are divided. So first region is a minus b and b. So like that only first region, second region, third region and fourth region. So here observe that it is a figures square, shape of a square and shape of a rectangle and shape of a square and here shape of a rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle length into breadth and area of a square side into side. So we use the formulas and a minus b are using formula. Understand? Okay. Exercise 11.5 first Roman first one. What is the first Roman? Verify the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square geometrical taking by geometrical verification. Taking by geometrically verification. Okay, did you understand, children? Now once observe that it is a square. It is a square. So here a equal to 2 units and b equal to 4 units. A is equal to 2 units and b equal to 4 units. So here 2 units is it and b is a 4 units. Now did you understand? Now take the square and a plus b means here 2 units and here to here 4 units. the total distance is in 6 units. 4 plus 2, 6. So here also same, the total units is in 6 units, and here also same 6 units, and here also same 4 plus 2, 6 unit total. The whole area of a square equal to 6 into 6, side into side. So here divided the 4 equal regions. 4 regions. So it is a first one, and it is a second one, and it is a third one, and it is a fourth one. So here first area of a whole square, A, B, C, D. Okay, area of a whole square. So here one rectangle is there. So next D after E, F, G. Next H. So here G, H, D, E, F, G, H. This is a I. Okay. So here observe that first reason, area of a square, area of a E, F, I square, and area of a I, B, H, F rectangle. It is a shape of a rectangle. Now here area of a first reason and area of a second reason. The shape of a first reason is a square. The shape of a second reason is a rectangle. The shape of a third reason is square. The shape of a fourth reason is a rectangle. Okay, understand? Now here first area of a square, first reason. Area of a first reason. So first the area of a whole square. Area of a whole square. So A, B, C, T equal to. So the total side is 6 units and the total side is 6 units. So 6 into 6. 6 6 36 square units. It is a whole area of a square. Okay. Now next we are getting remaining 4 regions. Okay. Now we are getting remaining 4 regions. Now we will start the first region. Area of a, it is a LHS. It is a LHS, ABC. So wait. LHS, A plus B whole square equal to. A is a 2 and B is a 4 equal to 6 square. 6 6 36. So first reason. Area of a square first region. So it is the total area is a square. Yes. So first reason is AIFE. AIFE equal to side into side. 4 into 4 equal to 4 4s are 16. So here side into side, 4 into 4. 4 into 4 equal to 16. Okay. Next, what is the next step? Second region. Find the area of a second region. Find the area of a second region. Area of a second region. Area of a second region, what is this? Rectangle. So, rectangle. What is the rectangle? IBHF. IBHF is equal to. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. What is the length here? 2 and breadth is here 4. 2 4s are 8. So 2 into 4 equal to 8 square units. Okay. Next, third reason. What is the third reason? Shape of a square. Area of a third region square. So FHCG. FHCG is equal to side into side into side. Side into side, 2 2s are 4. 4 square units. So here 4 into 4, 4, sorry. 2 into 2, side is 2, here is 2. 2 2s are 4 units, square units. Okay. So next, fourth reason. Area of fourth region of shape of a rectangle. Shape of a rectangle. EFG. DEFG. DEFG is equal to L into B. L into B. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 square units. Okay. Finally, what we prove that the area of a whole square equal to the sum of the 4 regions. The sum of the 4 regions. So finally we should here area of ABCD square is equal to area of first region plus second region plus third region plus fourth region. So area of a square 6 6 are 36 is equal to area of a first region 16 plus second region 8. Area of a second region 8. Area of a third region is 4 and area of a fourth region is 8. Okay. So here observe that finally we write here 36 is equal to 16 plus 8 24. 24 plus 8 28. 28 plus 8 36. So LHS equal to RHS by using geometrical verification. This is the by using geometrical verification. So once observe that we can use the direct method. It is a true or not. So A plus B 2 plus 4 2 plus 4 whole square equal to A square. 2 square plus 2AB 2 into 4 plus 4 square. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 16 32. 32 plus 4 36. So 2 plus 4 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 equal to 36. It is a direct method. It is a direct method. So it is not verification of geometrical method. Just using values A and B values, implementation of A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. But it is a method of a geometrical method. Geometrical method. Okay children, I hope to understood this problem. Exercise 11.5 first Roman first one. Remaining 2 problems to the homework. Remaining 2 problems to the homework. Next second Roman first one. Next I will discuss about second Roman first one. And now exercise 11.5 second Roman first one. So it is a problem of second Roman. Verify the identity A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square, and geometrically by taking. So here A equal to 3 units and B equal to 1 unit. We know that in previous classes the prove that A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. We prove that. Yes. So it is a LHS and it is a RHS. Okay. So here take the A, B, C, D. Total area of a whole square. Total area of a whole square. So already we know that So the side of A equal to 3 units and minus B. Here variable is we have to take the minus B. Then we have to keep the B equal to 1 unit. Then remove the one part of in the diagram. Remove the one part of a one corner is here. Remove the 1 unit. Understand? So here A, B, C, D is a whole square and total units is 3 units. Total distance is the 3 units and remove the 1 unit. A minus B. So minus 1. Did you understand? So here 3 minus 1. So here to here 3 and here to here 1. 3 minus 1 means here 2 is there. So here first reason this is the and second reason and third reason and it is a fourth reason. Totally finally the square is the divided to the 4 regions. The square is divided to the 4 regions. Understand? So here, so it is the first reason is a square and second reason. We know that here write the A, B, C, D. Here write E, F, G, H, I. Okay. Now here 2 squares and 2 rectangles are there. So first we write the area of whole square. Area of a whole square. So area of a whole square means AB CD is equal to side into side. So here 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 square units. 9 square units. Understand? It is a area of a square. It is a whole area of a square. Now here observe that a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Already we proved that a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. What we write here? Now first you find the area of first reason, area of a second reason, area of a third reason and area of a fourth reason. So first we will write here area of a first reason. What is the shape here? BIGF. It is a area of a square, the shape of a square figure. So now write here area of a BIGF is a square. Area of a square. It is a first reason. It is a first reason. What is the area of a square? Side into side. Side into side. What is the side here? 2 units. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 square units. Understand? Area of a first reason 4. So here write 2 into 2 equal to 2 2s are 4 square units. Okay. Next. Area of a, the second reason is the rectangle shape. The figure is a rectangle shape. So now area of a rectangle ICHG. ICHG. Area of a rectangle ICHG. So what is the formula? Length into breadth. So here 1 into 2 equal to 2 square units. So here 1 into 2 equal to 2 square units. Next third reason. Area of a square GHDE is third reason. Is equal to, so here also side into side. What is the side? 1 into 1. So here 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. Understand? Okay. Next, it is a third reason. Next, it is a fourth reason. It is a fourth reason. Area of, so here 1 into 1 ones are 1. Area of fourth reason or area of a fourth reason is shape of a rectangle. So it is a AEGF is equal to length into breadth. So length is a 1 and breadth is a 2 square units. Okay? Okay, now area of first region, area of a first whole region, area of a first region is equal to area of a whole square minus area of a whole square minus area of a third region and area of a second region and area of a third region and area of a fourth region and area of first region minus area of second region minus area of third region. Okay, so area of your first region is area of your first region. How much area of your first region? 2 2s are 4 square units equal to area of a whole square. Area of a whole square means here 9. Area of a whole square is a 9 square units and minus area of your first region. What is the area of your first region? 2 minus area of of your second region. Area of your second region is a 2 and area of your third region is a 1 and area of your fourth region. Area of your fourth region is 2. So here 9 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. So here all our symbol is having minus. So these three terms are adding and give the minus symbol. 9 minus 2 1 3 3 plus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 equal to 4. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Already we know that area of a first region equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Understand, children? Did you understand this one? So next problem, do the homework. Once observe that, children. So all are do this method only. No need of write another method. It is a very simple method. Okay. So here total is a 3 units we have to take and 1 unit is the minus because of here a minus b. Remove the minus b part. 3 minus 1 is a 2. Did you understand? So remaining second problem, do the homework. Remaining second problem, do the homework. Understand? So next, geometrical verification of the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square, we prove that. Okay. Next, so first it is a plus b into a minus b is LHS and a square minus b square is a RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So RHS. So RHS is equal to a square minus b square. So here area of a square with side A and area of a square with side B. Understand? So here just it is a square, overall square. So the side is A. So here one side of O plus B adding and one side of minus B adding. So here minus B. So it is a removing the part of A minus B. So here the distance is the total distance is the A. So here to here A minus B and here B. So it is a B. So then here to here the distance is the A minus B. The total distance is A. So we know that it is A plus. So here not only given that here remove the part. Understand? The total parts is A. So total it is the remove the part A minus B. So here it is a first reason and it is a second reason. We get finally we get a diagram first reason and second reason. Understand? So a square minus b square is equal to, so what is the a square minus b square? So it is considered to the two parts. So it is RHS, a square minus b square is equal to, we prove that. So area of a first reason, area of first region plus area of second region, area of second region. So here area of a first region. So here a minus b and here side of a. So did you understand? It is totally the distance of a. Understand? So here already one part of remove that it is a into, so it is a area of, what is this area? Area of a rectangle, the shape of a rectangle. So here write area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle is first region plus area of a rectangle second region. So what is the area? Length into breadth plus at the same time length into breadth. So what is the area? A into a minus b. The first region a into a minus b. It is also, so here a minus b. Understand? So here a into a minus b plus L into b. So next region, second region, b into a minus b. B into a minus b. So here a into a square minus a into b, ab plus b into a, ba minus plus into minus b into b, b square. So plus ab minus a are both are same. So a square minus b square. So here a square minus b square. So it is proof that of a square minus b square. So here up to here to here, the both are same is there. This another method. So here up to here one observe that this group of a minus b term is there and this group of also a minus b is there. So we should write here common of a minus b. What is there here? A minus b common means here keep as a plus here b is there. So finally therefore a square here write a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Understand? This method is understand? Okay. Now with the same method we can use the exercise 11.5 third Roman first one. Understand? Third Roman first one. So here third Roman, what is the third Roman first one? Yes, third Roman is the first one is A is equal to 3 units and B equal to 2 units and B equal to 2 units. At the same time draw the diagram like this only. At the same time draw the diagram like this only. Understand? So here draw the diagram. It is a square. So it is a minus b, sorry, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We can use the formula a square minus b square. So write the diagram here to here. One part of it remove here 2 units. How much here? 2 units. Remove the part of a 2 units. So understand here. Okay. So the total distance is the total distance is the 3 units. So here 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So here also same. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Understand? So it is a first reason and it is a second reason. Understand? It is the first reason and second reason. So here, first of all, a square minus b square. How can you do that? A square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square equal to area of first reason. Area of a first reason plus area of second reason. Area of second reason. We know that. So here a square minus b square. A square minus b square means 3 square minus 2 square. So here 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to area of a first reason. Area of a first reason. How to write that area of a first reason? A into a minus b. So here a into a minus b. So here write in 3 into 1 plus next here 2 into b is 2 into a minus b, 3 minus 2. Understand this one? So here write, once again I explain that area of a rectangle. So here 3 into 1. So it is a length into breadth plus it is a rectangle. So it is also same rectangle. Area of a length into breadth, same length into breadth. So here 3 into 2 plus 3 into 1. It is a total is a 3 and it is a 1. Understand? The side of a 3 and it is a opposite sides are equal. Area of a rectangle length into breadth. What is the breadth here? 1 plus length here. This is 2. The length. What is the length here? Yes, 2 into 1. 3 3s are 3 1s 3 plus 2 1s 2. 9 minus 4, 5 equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Did you understand, children? Okay. At the same time, it is a one sum so that A plus B. So here A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. What is the A here? 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 square minus 2 square. 3 plus 2, 5 into 1 is equal to 3 square means 3 3s are 9. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. 5 1s 5 equal to 5. It is also same. 5 is correct only. Understand? Okay. Now remaining problem is to the homework. I hope to understood this type of problems. It is a very easy and 1 or 2 times listen and carefully. Okay, children, remaining all problems to the homework.
Thank you, my dear students.